Let's go through code 524. Longest word in dictionary through deleting. So this question gave us a list of string S dictionary and also a string S. So it asks we can delete some of the character from S and it can be formed by deleting to form the word in the dictionary. And we need to find the longest word. If there are multiple answers, for example, if we delete has two word has a both length, for example, 4, right? We need to retain the lexical smaller one, smallest one. So this question is actually trying to iterate those kind of dictionary and trying to find whether those kind of word are the subsequences of S, right? So if they are subsequences, what we need is that we need mm, we need to compare the length and also the lexical order, right? So intuitively, what I would think that is that we check the word one by one, right? And in that case, check two character with a two word. If a word is a subsequence of S or not, we are using two pointer that will be O M multiplied by length, right? So doing like this, the total time complexity will be N multiplied by length L multiplied by this length L, right? And then multiply M. So this will be TRE. So we should separate that, right? We can use the next array, which the next array, which has n plus 1 and this is 26, right? So that means for every character at start from index I, right? For every character, what's the next position? Include I, right, for this character. So doing like this, for every word, we don't need to compare with the original string, but we can just check the next array we processed. So let's write code for this. So we are going to have a character array equals S2 char array. And we're going to have int n equals array dot length, right? So we're going to have next array equals new int n plus 1 and 26. Initially, let's set arrays field for every row, right? For int row and next. We have arrays field as -1, right? Then what we do is that for int I equals n -1, I greater equal to 0, I minus minus, right? So what to do for every character j equals to 0 is smaller than 26, j plus plus. I'm going to have array I next I j equals next I plus 1 j, right? And also we just need to update this kind of at the index I, this character is array, and the index is this one, right? Should be equals to I. So we're going to have a string result equals empty string, right? So what to do is for every string word in dictionary. So if it's not subsequent, right, is subsequence. Next word, we just need to continue. Otherwise, we need to, if we'll say, if this kind of word data length is greater than result dot length, or we'll say or this word length equals, but lexically smaller, right? If this equals and but in the word compare to result is smaller than zero, right? Then we're going to have result post word. And in the end, we just return result, right? So based on this kind of next array, we just write a private boolean is subsequence, and this next thing next, right? And string word. So what we do is that the int index equals -1, right? For every character, say in word which array, trying to say index equals next week from index +1, right? Next one, and also this will be c -a, right? So if index equals -1, return false. Otherwise, return true, right? And the Python code should be very similar. Mm, let's have n equals the length of x, right? And we're going to have our next array equals -1 uh, multiplied by 26 for in range. Let's have n +1, right? Then what we do is that we for I in range n -1 -1 -1 for j in range 26. We're going to have next I j equals next I +1 j, and also for current character that is next I, this will be org s I minus org a, right? To equals to I. So let's have a result equals empty string. So what we do is that for word in dictionary, if uh, let's say if not subsequence, right? If not subsequence, what's my next word? We just continue. Otherwise, we need to compare the length and the lexical. If length word is greater than length result, or say um, or or what that is length word equals length result and in the word which can write smaller than result, right? Then we just have result equals word, and in the end return results, right? And we already have the next array. We just from this kind of next array that is a list of list int, right? And a word, which is the string, and this one return true. And so what is that index equals -1, right? So what to do is that for say in word, this index equals next index +1, and this will be ORD C minus ORD A. So I say if index equals -1, right, we return false. Otherwise, if we go through every character, we find its next return true. And then the time complexity, we'll say because we compose this next array, this will be n o n, right? And for every character in the dictionary, for example, there are m, right? And then for those every word there are m word, and the length average is the length that is m multiplied by l, right? So time complexity will be O n plus m multiplied by L. Space is this kind of n multiplied by 26.